Hey guys, welcome to That Baldwin Life. I'm Nate, and today we're going to do a product review on the GoWesty Insulated Window Covers. So we're going to open these things up. I haven't taken them out of package yet. Give this really nice bag. As you can see, it's very nicely packaged. I probably won't get it back in like this again, but it's nice and rolled up tight in there. So there's enough covers for every window in the van, windshield included, so it's a pretty good package. So I guess my first impressions are they're a lot thicker than I thought they'd be. The quality is outstanding. You can see they have these holes, the kind of rivet holes in there where the suction cups will go through, and that would allow us to go in the window. I think those suction cups are in here. Okay, so find your bag of suction cups that are in there. Ours actually weren't in there when I opened it up last time. The whole thing, couldn't find any suction cups. So I called GoWesty, and they're fantastic customer service. They shipped them out the next day. 2 days later, we had a bag of their replacement cups. So I think the manufacturer just forgot to put them in. No big deal. We'll take care of that now. So you got to put these in every single hole that goes in here. So I'm going to go through that and test fit these a little bit. We're going to put suction cups facing out with the silver, because I assume the silver is supposed to go out. If that's not how you did it, or you don't think, let me know, but that's how I'm going to do it. So you just kind of push these through so they pop in, and we got little hooks on the back to kind of grab them, and we'll go in like that. Okay, so we have one totally done. We got the suction cups on. We're going to do a quick test fit on this window just to see how it goes. Gonna line these up, I guess, the edges. I think I'll probably have to maybe moisten up the suction cups. We'll see here. Yeah, they don't want to stick too all out, but yeah, not terrible, I guess. Yeah. And then you do all your windows like that. Shouldn't be too hard. One thing I just noticed here is the suction cups aren't going to work if you have your screens on the inside, which we always keep on because we cook in here, we have ventilation. So I think these are stiff enough to use, just these four over here, and these kind of tucked behind the curtain, so we want to try that real quick. Push those up a bit. Won't stick to there, but it's not perfect against the window, but it's better than nothing for sure. So I'm going to put the rest of the suction cups on, try to get it back in that bag all rolled up nice and tight, and the next time you see them, we'll be out camping. Okay, so I think you saw me struggle to get this in the bag in my garage. So let's see how to get this out. That's not terrible. The suction cup, the little things make it a lot harder. I'm not sure we're going to keep in the bag long term, maybe bungee cords, but here you go. So I think I said in the last part, we had the screen on and I thought it was stiff enough to stay. It was not. I left it up for a bit and it sagged right off. So we took the screens off. I guess there's not a lot of bugs in the winter anyway. It kind of sucks, but that's okay. We'd rather stay warm. So the one by the cabinet, you just have to kind of slide this back here, I think, find out. Yeah, it goes okay. And then just use the suction cups you can get to, just the four. Yeah, nice.
Yeah, it's nice and protected.
Yeah. It's a lot of work though. I mean, getting all this together and, you know, just setting it up, it's a lot to, but I think once that's all on and the heater's on, it'll be nice and cozy, but
oh, it's gonna be so cozy.
It does take more work than I thought. Okay, so we got all the window covers up. it's definitely a bit more work than we thought. The windshield one, it's kind of a tight fit a little bit. The back window, I think, was the hardest. Nancy got the pleasure doing that one.
Because you can't do it with the back open because it's so...
Well, unless you're taller than you.
And I'm not tall.
So if you're not
So I had to
5'4", then maybe you can do it.
Yeah, and I didn't have the bed out, so I was doing a little yoga poses to get that in there.
It was nice. But yeah, I think overall, we'll see how it does tonight. It's not going to be as cold as we hope tonight. It's 42 degrees out or so right now. It'll probably get in the 30s. We were hoping it would be in the 20s to really test it out, but we'll have other chances to do that. But I think it's really going to keep it a lot cozier in here.
And keep the light out in the morning.
You got to get up.
This lady.
Get up. So you can see it's all in and cozy. Front's done. Sides. Back. Nancy's back window. All done. So that and the tinsulation will be cozy tonight. So what's the verdict? Insulation good?
Yes.
Yeah. It 32 degrees or so overnight. It was 55 in here all night with the heater on pretty super low. It kicked on a couple of times, but
no, not like usual though.
No, way more consistent. You don't get that like kind of temperature swing where it gets warm and then all the cool air comes into the glass and then the heater kicks back on.
Nope.
It was a lot more consistent. It was dark in here this morning. I didn't get out of bed till after 7, which is insane. We do a lot of light coming in from the vent, the skylight, so I think Nancy wants to get that fixed too. But I think it's fantastic. I really wish we did it a long time ago.
And it felt really, really cold this morning when we were just getting dressed and doing things in here. We were cooking.
Yeah, but it's a high level of privacy. And when they're all on, it's almost dark outside the van with the lights on. So, for stealth camping, I think it's great as well. Yeah, we definitely give it a thumbs up. I think if you are in the market for some sort of insulation for your windows, the GoWesty stuff's great. The one thing that is not GoWesty's issue is condensation, of course, between the glass and the insulation. They're a little damp when you put them away. Luckily enough, it was sunny out this morning, and so we let them sit in the sun for a bit. But they're still a little damp. We're going to pull them out tonight and use them again, so we're not too concerned. But if you're going to use them and put them away in your garage for a couple of weeks, you may want to let them dry out in your garage for a bit before stuffing them back in that sack. But that's just the case with any insulation. So, but yeah, we're super happy with them.
Yeah, I like them a lot.
Yeah, so we'll put them a link in the description to check them out from GoWesty.